I'm sure you've been informed that I'm taking on Cavius as a client.
Cavius is a bad man. He's up to something. Hoffs and Armstrong knew it. They were onto something.
You didn't know? Armstrong, Hoffs, and Green Screen News are being sued for slandering, claiming he's creating those werewolves roaming the streets. I'm going against them in court.
You know Hoffs and Armstrong are innocent. Green Screen News is innocent. They're onto something about the werewolves.
Nevertheless, we're here to discuss the attempted murder charge.
The charge that no good Cavius made, who you're defending in court?
Au contraire, it wasn't Cavius who made the charge of attempted murder. It was the penitentiary, making the charge of attempted murder and breaking and entering.
Ergo, you're fighting the prosecution, not Cavius.
Like Tessa Jones said, neither you nor Yusuf haven't technically made any successful attempts in injuring the prisoner Cavius. The only charges that can possibly have any effect on you are the breaking and entering charges.
I need to get out of this case scot-free.
I can't guarantee that, but if I guessed correctly, you will probably get away with house arrest.
House arrest? Tessa promised I'd be free.
She didn't promise you freedom. She promised you the best outcome, not freedom, Casey. And, based on your predicament and similar issues of previous clients, house arrest may be the best outcome if we can't convince the judge you deserve freedom. Nevertheless, we should still proceed with this case with the goal of lessening your punishment, and dismantling the prosecution's case. What the hell was that for, you bastard?
It was fun for a while, being defended by your firm, but now I want to pursue this case on my own. Fields and Landon, attorneys at law, will be taking it from here.
What are you trying to say about my firm, you cheap asshole?
I'm saying that your services are no longer required.
I, the Honorable Judge Hermine, call Casey Fields to the stand.
Your Honor, I stand before you not as a criminal, a troublemaker, or a filthy college drop-in, then drop out, then drop in again, but as a misunderstood genius, aspiring venture capitalist, and co-founder of Fields and Landon, attorneys at law. Your Honor, contrary to what the prosecution says, I am an intelligent, selfless man who, though made a terrible mistake, tried to do the right thing nevertheless. Your Honor, I did commit breaking and entering against the plaintiffs, Greville Penitentiary and Company, and I also committed assault against the two officers found injured at the scene, Praslin and Carey. However, I committed these in an act of vigilantism, in an act of rash decision-making, because what I uncovered at the scene was far worse. Because, Your Honor, I discovered that the bastards at Greville Penitentiary and Co. were hosting a child trafficking scandal, and the officers I mauled were pedophiles.
Mr. Sean, is this true?
Objection. My client I'm representing, Greville Penitentiary, its faculty and its associates, do not endorse, nor do they participate in child trafficking or pedophilia.
With that, I rest my case.
Ladies and gentlemen, I think it is without a doubt that Greville Penitentiary should be subjected to further scrutiny and continue with this trial afterwards. For now, I'm suspending a verdict until a new lawyer is found for Casey Fields and further investigation is done into Greville Penitentiary.